ClickUp email to task tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create an email or to create a task just using the email within your ClickUp or the list of the ClickUp space. So we're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going basically to head over the space that we want to create the tasks from email. We're going to choose, for example, the ticket system. I'm going to extend this specific area, so we're going to have the folders and also the lists. For example, we have the customer support right there, and we're going to click on more details or list settings from here. Now click on email to list, as you can see from this menu, and we're going to have this email. We're going to have it selected or copied. Click on that. It is going to copy the email automatically. And we're going to be on this, as you can see, email composure or email inbox. So I'm going to head over our inbox. We can go ahead and create an email based in our recipient. Check up list customer support. This is going to be the name of it. We're going to give it a subject name, which is going to be the title of this task, like demo email task. And we're going to have the description, which is going to be integrated within the description of the task. Here we have our first email to task. Let's say try, and we're going to have a point. I'm going to send this email. Normally, I have repeated, normally we're going to receive the email to the inbox of ClickUp, and it is going to be treating it within the customer support here space or list. I am going to refresh the page, and let's hope that it is going to be adding it. So for instance, I do not see the email. I don't know why, but it is going to be maybe the status of the server, or it is going to be taking a little bit of time to load up. Now, after we have set up the email, or we have sent the email, you can go ahead and add, for example, I don't know here, a status specific for it. And we're going to wait in the meanwhile within the email to be received and also added to our collection. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.